Stoicism for the retiree, a calm philosophy for a meaningful retirement. Retirement marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another. For many, it brings freedom. For others, uncertainty, loss of routine, or concerns about health, finances, and purpose. Nearly 2,000 years ago, Stoic philosophers asked the same questions retirees often ask today. How do I live well when circumstances change? How do I stay calm as I age? What truly matters now? In this video, we'll explore Stoicism for the retiree, a timeless philosophy that offers clarity, peace of mind, and purpose in this new stage of life. Section 1. What Stoicism offers in retirement. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy founded in Greece and refined by thinkers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, many of whom faced illness, aging, and uncertainty themselves. At its core, Stoicism teaches a simple truth. Peace comes from accepting what you cannot control and focusing on what you can. Retirement often brings change, some expected, some not. Careers end, roles shift, bodies slow, loved ones pass. Stoicism doesn't deny these realities. It teaches us to meet them with dignity, rather than measuring life by productivity or status. Stoicism encourages retirees to focus on character, wisdom, and perspective, things that only go stronger as we age. Section 2. Control versus acceptance in later life. One of the most helpful Stoic ideas for retirees is the dichotomy of control. Some things are still within your control. Your attitude, daily habits, values, how you treat others, and how you respond to challenges. Other things are not. Aging, health changes, market fluctuations, the past, or other people's choices. Stoicism teaches that much of our stress comes from fighting what cannot be changed. By accepting life as it is, rather than how we wish it to be, we conserve energy for what truly matters. Stoics also viewed wealth, health, and comfort as preferred indifference. Nice to have, but not the source of peace. This mindset allows retirees to remain steady, even when circumstances shift. Section 3. Rediscovering purpose after work. For many retirees, the biggest challenge isn't time, it's purpose. Stoicism reminds us that purpose is not tied to a job title. It's tied to how we live. The Stoics believed the highest good was virtue, defined by 4 qualities: wisdom, learning from experience; courage, facing aging with strength; justice, contributing to others; and self-discipline, living simply and intentionally. Retirement offers the perfect opportunity to practice these virtues: mentoring, volunteering, deepening relationships, or simply living as a calm example to others. Your value does not diminish with age, it evolves. Section 4. Stoicism and emotional peace in retirement. Stoicism is not about suppressing emotion, it's about understanding it. Fear of aging, regret over the past, anxiety about the future. Stoics taught that these emotions come from our judgments, not from events themselves. Through reflection, journaling, and mental preparation, Stoics train themselves to remain calm in uncertainty. One practice, called negative visualization, involves briefly imagining loss, not to dwell on it, but to cultivate gratitude for the present. In retirement, this practice helps replace worry with appreciation for health, time, and meaningful moments. Section 5. A Stoic Retirement. Stoicism teaches that aging is not a decline, it's a natural progression. Retirement is not an ending. It's a chance to live with intention, simplicity, and inner freedom. By focusing on what you can control, letting go of unnecessary worry, and living according to virtue, retirement becomes less about what you've left behind and more about who you are becoming. As the Stoics believed, a good life is available at any age. What Stoic principles resonate with you? Let us know in the comments below. If you got anything out of this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. On screen now is the video YouTube believes you should watch next. Click on it and I will see you there. Thanks for watching.